Here we are sitting down at this truck stop here at the 77 on 77. As you can see, I got here last night about 12:30, and I started a little bit flurries when I got here, so I just wanted to make it down here. I gotta be in Charlotte tomorrow morning. I just wanted to get close to cross these mountains, get away from the tunnel. And sat here, woke up this morning at 10:30, and it was just like this. So it's supposed to be sunny all day today, and you got trucks been sitting in the fuel line for hours and hours, so I didn't get to sit there. This tanker just got here, and he tried to make a U-E or something, and now he got stuck too. That guy right there, he's been stuck since early this morning. Nobody can give him a push or a pull or something. But yeah, we probably got close to a foot, well, maybe 8 to 10 inches over here on this side. As you can see. He's stuck now. There's a tractor in here with a plow. I don't know why he's not cleaning up the damn parking lot here. But this is it. It's about 1 o'clock this Sunday. December 9, I think. And we gotta sit all day here till tomorrow morning till it slows down tonight or comes down on snow.